this time by. We are ready to go racing for the Spears Manufacturing Modified Series. Kevin Vossen leads early. Jimmy Sloan in the second spot. Now, this is what the most pivotal part of the race is. Yes, you want to lead as many laps as you can, but you don't want to kill your tires doing it. This track will eat away every bit of tires. Every pass has to be strategized. Every move. If you're Sloan right now, you're wondering, yeah, the lead's right there, but should I take it now? And we look around the rest of the field, and we see some cars side by side. Duking it out. Trouble. We got a smoker. That's Grote in the number 97. Oh, and we got fluid laying down. Grote goes for a spin. Lights are out around the racetrack. The pace truck getting ready to peel off down the back straightaway, and the Spears Manufacturing Modifieds get ready to complete their race. We're only 6 laps in, so these drivers have to find a way to settle as we go green.
Sloan looking to take advantage on this restart. He is going to take the lead into turn number 3.
Side by side into turn number 1, you see the 11L of Longman, the yellow car, working the inside of the 2 of Brucker. This is a battle for 5th. Ollie Clark in the mix of 17. And the 41 of Kyle Jacks back with us here in the Spears Manufacturing Modified Series.
And it's neat to see drivers, local drivers, be able to react that way when the series comes to town. You talk about not sliding the tires. The 39 of Adams was doing anything but. He was drifting out of turn number 4.
You got to do what you got to do, but sometimes you can do it too much. Clark in the 17, and we're trying for 3 wide. Thurkettle and the 5, pacing himself early, getting by Longman and bringing along the 73 of Harrington Jr. So Clark and Kyle Jacks battling into turns number 1 and 2. And this is what I love about Tucson. It's a side-by-side racing. Well, we have been green flag since lap number 6 of this race. We're at lap number 31. So Jeffrey, quick math for that competition caution.
That would be lap 36 we should be seeing it.
So we've got about 5 or so laps.
So what you're telling me is this race isn't going to stay green.
No.
And that's probably why we see some of these drivers so comfortable waiting for that yellow that will come out. But are they using up their equipment before that competition yellow?
Yeah, here we go into turn number 2. Your leaders, again, they've been staying about 3 to 4 car lanes from each other, but Vossen now starting to reel in Sloan. Is Sloan backing up? Is Vossen spending some energy? Across the line, front straightaway, and the caution waves. Competition yellow.
A number of these drivers, Sid, lap 35 was the one they were waiting for. Is it go time? Green flag.
On the rear bumper for both lanes into turn number 1. Here is Bonnet in the 22. Jimmy Sloan continues that lead.
But Bonnet's there. Sloan now working the high side. Bonnet's the one down low. I think we're going 3 wide into turn number 1. Thurkettle down on the inside. Clark in the middle. Brucker on the outside. And Vossen's going to get eaten up in this battle as well.
We are definitely 3 wide. And it's a bit squeeze over in turn number 4. The battle of the black cars against the battle of the reds. Clark, Thurkettle on the inside. Brucker and Vossen. Clark with a bit of a run down the back straightaway, but Vossen with that momentum up high, up in the 12 degrees of banking. Gonna hold on to the spot for now.
Battle side by side here. Is this potentially hurting the tires of both these cars doing it?
That's what I wonder every lap here at Tucson. How, as a driver, do you race side by side but trying to save your equipment? I don't know. It makes no logical sense to me there's got to be that racer's edge mentality where you're like, nope, I'm going to lead this time between your pack, right? But at the same time, you're giving away grip. You're letting your tires go. You can never settle here at Tucson Speedway because of all the grooves, 3 wide through turns 1 and 2. Here's Thurkettle to the inside of Bonnet. Now, if you're looking at the scoring, Bonnet is nowhere listed in second. That's for some reason Brucker.
Oh, Sloan off the pace. The 19.
What's going on? Yeah, he's peeling it off on the back straightaway. Jimmy Sloan was leading up to 30 laps to go. And it looks like whatever happened, he got it situated and refired up into the lead. Travis Thurkettle takes it.
Well, what that does is that puts Travis Thurkettle into the lead, and the caution will come out for the 19 of Sloan. Oh,
we got a piece of debris rolling. Pace truck is peeled off here at Tucson Speedway. 53 laps in. And it'll be Thurkettle and Bonnet bringing the field back around to the green.
well, now these drivers know exactly what they're dealing with. Bonnet sees Thurkettle. Thurkettle looks in his mirror and sees Bonnet. And battle for third between Brucker and Clark. And I'm starting to see those right rears slide.
Now Holly Clark has chased down the 2 of Brucker, looking to the inside. This is a battle for third.
The bump and run. Well, that was more of a nudge and run.
Yeah.
So there's second, third, and fourth on the screen. And there is your leader. Nope, I'm coming back to this. Holly Clark just got into the rear bumper of Brucker, saying, I got somewhere to be, and it is no longer behind you. And a bumper through turns 3 and 4, and Holly Clark's going to spin it out. Oh, no. White flag is in the air. Clark is parked on the apron. And out of turn number 4, Travis Thurkettle has won at Tucson. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? Smoke show.
Just awesome team win. You know, we executed a plan to the T, and Spotter Shea was on point. I got to thank Race Car Factory. I got to thank special thanks to my dad, too. You know, he couldn't make it out to this race, but he's there in spirit, and he was definitely on the phone with us whenever we needed him. And but Race Car Factory, High Point Racing, DeMarzo put together gears for this car for this race. Kristen, Nate, Reeves Auto, couldn't thank him enough.
Travis, congrats.
Thank you.
Travis Thurkettle wins the Spears Manufacturing Modified race at Tucson Speedway. Gets it done here